And for that reason, over the past several years, we have focused a lot on a new class of materials at Polymed that are cross-linkable and chain extendable by UV curing. Is certainly not the only application in terms of DLP or SLA, but in terms of just a UV curable system that can be used as a thin coating, it can be used to create solid objects. I'm actually using this material in a photolithography application, making highly detailed cell wells. But in this case, we've focused on the application to DLP, SLA, and it's also been explored in 2 photons. So the material is compatible with a variety of techniques. And through this, we're able to create highly resolved cellular structures or even solid structures. And again, this material, we have focused on the higher flexibility structures, things like a foam or like a TPU-like material. But we also have the ability as a platform to turn that into a rigid material closer to that high megapascal or gigapascal range.